Friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a function block using STL language. So let's start the video. You can watch my last video for the ladder function blocks. And so let's start. So first of all, going to FP and F function blocks and click the right clicks and add new data. Here you can select your language. I'm going to select STL language and simply click OK. So you can see like this type of your program's body in ST language. So simply I'm going to create first of all local labels like put 0 ones starts b data types, and here I'm going to select input and same like input 02 stops bit and varchar inputs, and third input is like emergency stop p beta, and fourth is like output like pump ons, and fifth is like pump stops, and the sixth is the emergency pressed, and the third is like temporary bit. Like varchar. So now I'm going to use this local labels in program body to make a function block. So like when our motor start condition, first of all I'm going to create a motors pump on status like pump ons is equal like inputs and not stops or AMG to start and AMG like this, and pump stops and 10 bit on like when pump ons. I'm going to pump off stop bit when like this. And emergency traced, like when EMG stop push button pressed. So there is no error, so I'm going to check through the rebuild functions, and that's here no error, so I'm going to simply call this function block in the main scanning. So I'm going to assign like m0 and m2, and here I'm going to assign like m10s, m11s, m12. So I'm going to rebuild again, and I think there is errors. Okay, like simply check, there is no errors. Simply I'm going to rebuild and wait. Okay, there is no error, so I'm just going to like debug simulations starts, and let's see. Simply click yes, just wait. Great, there is no errors, and our pump is on. Just wait, that means, and emergency input or start, and emergency start, input of start, and emergency starts. I'm going to like stop the simulations, and again going to edit. Why this happens? Simply okay, and I'm going to rebuild functions. We want to again debug and simulation starts. Let's see. Click yes. When I stop this, when the stop is pressed, and it still pump signals is high. Okay, now you can see like our pump status is stop, there is no error, and emergency stop press signals is disabled. So I'm just checking, and not and emergency pressed. Okay, you can see like our at this time like our emergency and stop signal both are like when I'm going to press emergency stop signals, like pump is on and emergency is pressed, like I'm going to enable stop signals that after this signals enables like pump is should be off, like that is okay runnings, and when I'm going to enables. Thank you guys.